Hello everyone! So today I get to talk about something that I absolutely love, rhythms. And I know what you're thinking, rhythms are hard, rhythms are challenging, but this one's gonna be fun. And this one's gonna break your brain a little bit, but that's okay because we are focusing on hand independence and getting our fingers just a little bit more agile on the keyboard. And this is just a great way to challenge yourself and take your playing to the next level. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how this rhythm sounds in G major. Okay, so to start learning any rhythm, I always like to tap it out on my legs. Make sure you don't tap too hard though. You don't want to hurt the tops of your legs, but this is going to help you feel it out and really get it internalized before we add it to the piano. So to start, we're going to use our left hand, and it only takes 4 claps. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And we're going to keep that going. So now I'm going to add my right hand. So this is where the challenge comes in. Make sure you take your time with this. I'm going to clap it a few times just to make sure we all can feel it and internalize it. And 1 and 2, here we go. And 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you take your time with this. We still have our 4 with our left hand. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this rhythm is going to break your brain, and that's the point. It's a challenge and it's so much fun, but it's also a great way to help your hand independence just think a little bit differently and get your brain thinking in different ways. There is an easier way to play this rhythm though. All you need to do is think about when your hands are hitting your legs. So this is the trick. We're going to play together with both our left and right hand, and then right, left, right. So we're just alternating, starting with our right hand, and that is super important. So together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right. Now speed it up a little bit. Right, left, right. Keep it going. And now watch this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, now you can clap this brain-breaking rhythm. We're going to try and play it on the piano. So the only notes we're going to have to worry about here are G and the D note with our right hand. Now, I'm going to break down the right hand first this time. This is going to be fun. It's going to go G, D, G, D, G, D. Okay, one more time. G, D, G, D, G, D. All right, so think of it as 2 groups. We have G, D, G, and then D, G, D. Lots of E sounds, right? But it's just 2 notes. Super simple. Just group them into 2 and have them back and forth, right? So when we have this, we're going to add our left hand. So here we go. Together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, G, D, G, D, G, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So get comfortable, right? Slow it down if you need to. G, D, G's, D, G, D, and we're keeping that right, left, right, right? Together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, and speed it up. Another right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, together, right, left, right, and stop. Okay, so you could go for hours like that, right? Practicing your rhythm, making sure it's sitting well, it feels okay, and it feels like it's lining up, right? Everything should feel like it kind of lines back up. So let's add our left hand. Let's get some musicality to this. It's just a finger exercise, but we want to make it musical. We're going to add our 1 chord, our 5 chord, and our 4 chord of G major, and it's going to sound really good. I love it. It's so much fun, and it really gets those fingers working. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. And now we're gonna keep that G, D, G. You can get quieter, right? Add some emotion. Maybe get louder. Speed it up a little bit. And there it is. The craziest, most brain-breaking rhythm you will probably ever hear, but it's so much fun, and it's a great way to get those hands working independently and getting your fingers working independently. So practice this, have fun, challenge yourself by going a little bit faster every single day, and all of a sudden, it'll just kind of sit right under your fingers and you'll be able to just have some fun with it. So let me know how this goes, and let me know if you want to see anything else like this, see any more brain-breaking rhythms down in the comments below. And have a wonderful day. Take care, and bye for now.